Hi students, how are you all? Fine? Good. In the previous class, we have learnt the organs of the circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of blood, blood vessels and the heart. Blood flows through the blood vessels. It carries oxygen, nutrients and water to different parts of our bodies. It also carries waste products away from the organs for excretion. We have learnt there are three kinds of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. The arteries carry blood containing oxygen from the heart to other parts of our bodies. They are the thickest blood vessels. The veins carry blood containing carbon dioxide from different parts of our bodies back to the heart. They are thinner than arteries. The capillaries are the thinnest blood vessels. They form a network between arteries and veins in the organs. All these things we have already learned in the previous class, and today we are going to learn about the process of blood circulation in our bodies. How blood is circulating in our bodies. It occurs in our bodies by different manner. Number 1, the vena cava brings deoxygenated, or in other words, carbon dioxide rich blood from all parts of the body to the heart. So what is the first function? The vena cava brings deoxygenated. That we have already learned about deoxygenated blood. That means carbon dioxide rich blood from all parts of the body to the heart. What is this vena cava? It is a group of two major veins that bring carbon dioxide rich blood to the heart. So this vena cava is a group of two major veins. What is their function? They bring carbon dioxide rich blood to the heart. So its main function is bring deoxygenate all parts of the body. And number 2, the next step to be done by our heart. The heart already received deoxygenated blood or carbon dioxide rich blood already received, and this blood pumped to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. In the lungs, one more function is going on. The blood absorbs oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide in the lungs. So what's happening here in the lungs? What's happening? The blood absorbs. Absorb means the blood takes oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. So now the blood is rich in oxygen, no carbon dioxide. And the next step is, so this oxygen rich blood from the lungs is returned back to the heart through the pulmonary vein. Now the blood is rich in oxygen, no carbon dioxide, and from the lungs is returned back to the heart through the pulmonary vein. And the next step, the aorta carries oxygen rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body. Then who carries this oxygen rich blood to the heart? The aorta carries oxygen rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body. So this is the process of blood circulation. This is like a cycle, and again the process starts from function number 1, that is starting from vena cava. Vena cava brings carbon dioxide rich blood from all the parts of the body to the heart, and from the heart it's again going to different parts of our body. So this process is going on. A diagram is given there in page number 5 to understand the circulation of blood in human beings. Go through this diagram and understand the process of circulation. Next, take page number 8 to solve exercise 1. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Dash are the thinnest blood vessels. Dash are the thinnest blood vessels. Answer: arteries. Arteries are the thickest blood vessels. Not thinnest, arteries are the thickest blood vessels. Arteries are the thickest blood vessels. Number 2. Dash are the thinnest blood vessels. Answer: capillaries. Capillaries are the thinnest blood vessels. Number 3. What do veins do? They carry carbon dioxide rich blood from different body parts to the heart. So what is the function of vein? Veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood from different body parts to the heart. Number 4. Which blood vessels form a network in the organs? Answer: capillaries. So we have finished exercise 1. Choose the correct option. Do this exercise in the science copy. As you know, we need interleaf copy for science. That means one side blank and other side single line to write. So first write chapter 1 in the first line. Then chapter name in the second line and write exercise 1 in the next line. Do only one exercise in one page. You can put a date also. So today's your homework is do this exercise 1 in science copy. Page number 8. And find out the answers of true or false. Exercise 2. And read chapter 1 till page number 5 at least 3 times. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.